Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea, and today I thought I'd bring you something a little bit different. It's my Crochet Society first subscription box. Now, if you don't know what Crochet Society is, it's a new subscription from Bella Coco Crochet. I think it's kind of organised and administrated through one of the publishing houses that publishes some of the crochet and knitting magazines, but it's definitely curated by Bella Coco. I'll link everything below, so I'll link Bella Coco's website and Facebook, and also I'll put a link to the Crochet Society Instagram and all of that. But I've been quite excited to receive this because, you know, I already subscribe to Big and Little Crochet, and I love that. And I've been a fan and a follower of Bella Coco for a long time. So it's Sarah-Jayne Fragola, who is Bella Coco, essentially. Bella Coco's her company. I also follow her, so I'll also link to her Instagram and to her YouTube. So I'll do lots of links in the description box. Now this, if you watch Sarah-Jayne or Bella Coco, you'll know that these colours are so typically her. She loves the rose gold, and she loves these lovely muted shades, this lovely sort of aqua green, and the muted pink and the yellow are very much, and peachy colour are very much her style. So the box is, I think it was £20. I can't remember now. I think it was £20 anyway. And you can subscribe. There's lots of different ways you can save money by subscribing and buying 3 boxes in advance, or 4 boxes, something like that, or a whole year. I just went for the month on month because I just wanted to see what it was like, really. And I've had a little peek, and I am really impressed with this. So again, if you watch Sarah-Jayne or Bella Coco, you'll have seen this in her office or on one of her walls in her home. The box fastens with a little Velcro dot here. Tells you where to share on Instagram, and how to tag the Crochet Society with your makes. And I know that Sarah-Jayne goes through those hashtags through Instagram and looks at those hashtags and shares them on the Crochet Society's Instagram page. So yeah, she's definitely active with that. It's not like she's just, I suppose, even I kind of thought, has she just lent her name and her colour theme to a product and not really involved with it, but I think you can see it's got her written all over it, literally. So then there's a little book talking about the Crochet Society and the introduction to it, and that's Sarah-Jayne there. And what's in the book, so the patterns for this time around, using some top kind of designers, little bits of interviews talking about their background, what they like to make and where they find their inspiration. And then there's the pattern from that designer. Some nice pictures, very clear written instructions. And then, you know, you get exclusive access to video tutorials to help you. And then a description of what's in the box, which I'm going to show you, and I am really impressed with what's in the box. The wall hanging there is really pretty. And there's a crochet chart for that one as well. So some people like to work from written patterns, some from video tutorials, some from charts. The West Yorkshire Spinners yarn, the Bo Peep, which is what we've got in here, which I've actually just recently bought a load of to use in a project. A little baby blanket that I was asked to make. I think this is the colour, I think, that I've got. So there's a little pocket bear you can make with little eyes and little stuffed. It's not an amigurumi, so it's not like it's 2 pieces sewn together by the looks of it. And then the little slippers, little lacy slippers that you can make. And then here's more information about the box. So order by the 14th of July for box 2 and expand your collection. So the boxes are sort of coming, they're not coming every month, are they? Looks like they're kind of, I would have thought that the July box will come in August, maybe. I mean, the one you pay for in July will come in August, so that will be, what, May, June, July? Every quarter by the looks of it. Not quite sure what the production plan is for it. There's a phone number you can call, get 25% off. Yeah, so every 12 months you save 25% on every box. Exclusive goodies by Sarah-Jayne worth over £30 inside every box. So that's fabulous. Little book. And then we've got this beautiful green tissue with a little sticker, Crochet Society sticker, holding it all together. And then inside we have far more than I thought we were going to get. Got this lovely Sarah-Jayne confetti. And then we've got this gorgeous Bo Peep, West Yorkshire Spinners Bo Peep luxury baby yarn, and this is Falkland wool, 52% Falkland wool and 48% nylon. And there is a lot of nylon in, I've found in West Yorkshire Spinners yarn, but it gives it extra durability and it makes it super for washing. So yeah, that's gorgeous. It's so soft. I don't know what shade that's in. I mean, it's in 1026 or 293. I'm not quite sure, but it doesn't say. It doesn't say what sort of colour it's given. So it might do in the book, so that you get those two gorgeous shades. And you get some stuffing for your little teddy bear, and you also get some safety eyes for your little teddy bear, and this lovely confetti everywhere. And then you get this beautiful Crochet Society tape measure. I love these little tape measures. I've got one from somewhere else, but they're just so handy. I even pop mine in my handbag because when you're out shopping and stuff, they're handy for that. And then you've got a lovely bespoke crochet hook. You've got a 3.5mm. It's the hashtag Crochet Society, and it's got that same Bella Coco pattern. If you look at her website, you'll see these sort of the coloured circles are her part of her branding. And what I'm assuming is that, I think I've heard her say, and there's, oh, it's a rose gold, of course, as well. I think I've heard her say that you'll get a crochet hook with every box, so I'm assuming that the size of the hook will be different with every box, and you'll end up with a set, which is really nice. And then on top of all that, you get this little stack of goodies, which I just thought was some postcards, but actually it's not. The first one is the guide to crochet terms, so you've got the UK and the US equivalent, a hook size conversion chart. Now that is definitely going on my wall because yeah, that's going to be really useful. And shush, I'm counting on the other side. So even if you've got all these sizes and everything down pat in your head, you can still use that. You can even put that in a little frame, it'll look cute. And then Book First Crochet, a little notebook. How lovely is that? And again, like I said, the Book First Crochet is something that you'll see in a framed print. In I think it was also available in the Bella Coco store at one point, if you've been around all that time. Then look at these. You've got the Book First Crochet, the yarn ball, and the scissors, and the ball of yarn. Little stitch markers. They are so cute, and you don't have to use them as stitch markers. They're really lovely. You could use them as charms for your crochet bag, or if you've got like a pencil case for your crochet hooks in, you could fasten them on that, or even on your handbag if you wanted. And then there's a little pack of Bella Coco post-it notes, little post-it notes. They're so cute. And then the West Yorkshire Spinners I'm not quite sure what this is. It's what makes great and hat made of teddy bears, been the best companionship I could ever have. The special collection of inspiring you to fuel the chance with crocheting a playful playmate for them. The adorable Bow Bear. There's an wardrobe of matching clothes and accessories for child and bear to wear together. Ah, so for more information on your nearest stockist. Oh, Bo Peep Great Adventures. So you get 10 matching designs of clothing for the bear and for your child. That's interesting. And then when you lift it all of that out, at the bottom there's a little leaflet telling you how to join the Crochet Society and get, oh, it is every month. Receive a luxury box of crochet goodies every month. And the from as little as $14.99 a month is based on a 12-month subscription in the UK. And well, I'm not sure, I'm absolutely sure that they ship internationally, so they'll ship anywhere in the world. Yeah, I'm really super impressed with that. I really am. More impressed than I thought I was going to be honest. Those goodies are definitely worth 20 quid. And if you're getting the bigger subscription for $14.99, then my goodness, you can't go wrong. So yeah, I am really impressed. I would hugely, highly recommend sign up to this. I think it will build up into a beautiful collection. It's not themed, if you like the Big and Little Crochet boxes are, and it's not sort of collectible in the sense that you've got books and stuff to collect, but these boxes are going to look really cute stacked in on a shelf in a craft room, and they can be used once you've used the yarn that's inside them. They can be used for anything else, and you could, the pattern books, you could stash them all in one, couldn't you? They're quite narrow, so you'd probably be able to get a year's worth in the box to refer back to. So yeah, I just absolutely love it, and I think it's just amazing. There's nothing not to like about it. I can see why Sarah-Jayne's been so excited about it, because it's just fabulous, and I'm sure it's something that, you know, she really would want herself, which for me that's important, because I think when someone's putting their name to something, you'd like to think that it is something they'd actually love. And you know, business is business, and people take opportunities that come their way, but I do really feel that she has been hugely involved in this. It's not just given her name to it at all, and I just know that she would love this herself. Sort of casting myself back a couple of years to Sarah-Jayne's videos, if she'd have got this in the post, I think she would have been, you know, overwhelmed and buzzing about it. So I'm definitely sure this has her, like I said, literally written all over it, and I can't wait to make something from it and to use those lovely yarns and that gorgeous crochet hook, which felt very nice in my hand. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to that. So I will make something using the stuff that's in here, and I will film that, so watch out for that. But well done, Sarah-Jayne. I will tag her. I doubt that she'll ever see it, but she does sometimes respond when I when I leave comments on Instagram. So yeah, well done. Fantastic job, and can't wait to see the next one. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.